Hello. So real quick, I just wanted to give you a step number 3 for setting up your Revelana system is you want to download the LeadConnector app. It looks like this. Make sure you download the LeadConnector app on your mobile devices, and also you'll see that it's free. This is something that's going to work into your phone systems, and it's also going to work into the conversations area. So whenever anyone emails you, texts you, sends you messages from social, calls you, all of that, they're all going to show up here on your desktop for the Revelana system. But I wanted you to know that on the app, they're going to allow you to communicate back and forth from your mobile devices as well. So just notice if you do a search for LeadConnector mobile app, there's one for Apple, there's one for Google. So make sure you just pick the one that's appropriate for you, and make sure you get it downloaded. Thanks so much. And I think this is probably going to be one of the shortest videos in the tutorial sessions. Thanks. Bye.